हमारा बचपन हमारा बचपन हमारा बचपन।
A great psychologist once said, adolescence represents an inner emotional upheaval, a struggle between the eternal human wish to cling to the past and equally powerful wish to get on with the future. In many developing countries, including India, there are a lot of cultural expectations which often limits a girl's future to an early marriage and childbearing. Hamara Bachpan Trust, a not for profit pan India organization, has been working towards the empowerment and upliftment of women and girls since the very beginning. While working with adolescent girls, they have faced multiple challenges related to gender role perception, safety issues, gender discrimination, menstrual hygiene and reproductive health, choice of career, and many more. The only key to unlock this problem is by providing adolescent girls with skills, resources, and competencies so that they can lead a life of dignity, choice, and opportunity. Hamara Bachpan Trust addressed this issue by conducting life skill training through globally acclaimed Gap Inc.'s PACE Life Skill Program. PACE is Personal Advancement and Career Enhancement Program. 5,070 adolescent girls have been trained in urban and rural areas of Khordha, Cuttack, Puri, and Jagat Singhpur districts till date and is in the process of skilling up another 8,500 girls this year. After understanding the problem and doing a depth research, Gap Inc. had come up with two age-specific set of modules, one for younger adolescent group which comprises from the age of 11 to 13 years old and the other for older adolescent group which comprises the age from 14 to 17 years old. Younger adolescent group will be knowing about me and my environment, me and my body, me and my emotions and relations, me and my aspirations within a duration of 42 hours. On the other hand, older adolescent will be provided with the skill of self-efficacy, resourcefulness, employability within a duration of 27 hours.
From this training program, we have learned about construct of gender and sex, and also we got to know about various types of emotions and how to control it. Apart from that, we also got to know about resourcefulness, that is how to develop our resource capacity and use it at our best. Last but not the least, under employability module, we also came to know about how to prepare for an interview, and in it we knew how to write a resume and other, which is utmost importance in one's life. So I would like to conclude here by thanking all, including Hamara Bachpan team and also to the trainer for arranging such type of training program and making us more aware about our life. Thank you.
The trainings are provided by skilled, experienced, and certified trainers in local dialect. The training was conducted in a very fun and interactive manner. And to ensure girls' participation in the training process, various participatory tools such as group discussions, brainstorming, role play, quiz, setting real life examples, group work, and visual learning were also conducted.
ତ ଏଇଟା କଣ? ଏଇଟା 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 ଏଇଟା
I have learned so many things from this training, like power and petrol society and difference between sex and gender, which includes social and natural sex, and bodily integrity and puberty, which include the body parts and how to maintain personal hygiene and menstrual hygiene. After After attending this program, I am more comfortable to share the said topic with my friends and family. Thanks to the team and the trainer for their effort to make us aware. Thank you.
मो परिचय कौ जगह केमती दबा दरकार से विषय में फास्ट शिखी जमीक मुझे जे माने मु धर घरे रोचे तो समस्त डिफरेंट परिचय थाए जमीक घरे थे अलग प्रकार परिचय बाहर को गले अलग प्रकार परिचय सांग मान सहित अलग परिचय तो सेमती आम कौटी आम धर बाहर कौटी निजक इंट्रोड्यूस करुचे तो कौ जिनस आमर मेनली दरकार आम कहवाक आज ए ट्रेनर से शिखी
24 घंटा तो आमे जो जो काम करूचे से 24 घंटा भीतर करूचे ना 24 घंटा
किशोरी बालिका मानक नहीं आम एक हमरा बचपन तरफ किशोरी बालिका केमी आग को उन्नति करेंगे निजे निज गोड़े छिड़ा निजे संबल हे निजे निजक रक्षा करें ता सहित जो बापा माँ ठार पैसा पत्र नहीं से अन्य कम से बाजे खर्च करदे केमी निजे निजपाई रखिक संबलित हो पारे निज गोड़े निजे ठिया हो पारे और अन्य को तांकर जेकोसी कार्यक्रम पड़े भी निजे निजक जो जाऊँगी किछिटा कौन दुर्घटना घटिला से निजक शक्ति संबल भाव से सक्षम करें.
Training are conducted both in rural and urban communities and in schools. It also involves the active participation of the stakeholders, and the trainer are also being in touch with the stakeholders to monitor the behavioral change if occur among the trainees.
आंभ विद्यालय हमारा बचपन संस्था तरफ दीर्घ 14 दिन धरी झील मानकर एडोलसेंस पीरियड संबंधी ज्ञान वृद्धि निमंते एक प्रोग्राम होइतला. यही प्रोग्राम रे झील माने बहुत उपकृत होइचंती. सेमानकर निजर आत्मनिर्भरशीलता वृद्धि पाइछि, निज उपरे भरोसा वृद्धि पाइछि एवं आंभ विद्यालय को जो मैंने अनियमित थे समस्ते नियमित भाव में आसचंती सेमानकर उपस्थान वृद्धि पाइछि. मु भाबुछि सरकार जदि यही कार्यक्रम को आउरी प्रति स्कूल रे याको लागू करते हुए तो पिलामानकर उपस्थान वृद्धि सहित सेमानकर आत्मविश्वास वृद्धि पाता झील मानकर.
Trainees, after learning from the program, they share their experiences with their peer groups, family members, teachers, through role plays, dance and many other methods. They have even spread awareness in communities and on many other larger platforms to aware people about menstrual hygiene, gender role perception, gender discrimination, safety issues and many more. This program is like a chain, as the trainees who have been trained have now become leaders, and they are training other peoples who will train the others and become a leader.
झिया बोली मारी दिया, झिया बोली फिंगी दिया. झिया बोली मारी दिया, झिया बोली फिंगी दिया. झिया हेले करा हेला सबु धीरे अवहेला नुहे मो फिंगा दरब झिया मुझे गौरब कुल रक्षा मो धर्म. झिया हे नेबी मु सहे जन्म, झिया हे नेबी